Today's digital world, every brand is striving to stand out and grow online. The rise of e-commerce marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and Etsy has transformed how businesses reach customers. Imagine a cinematic collage of these platforms, glowing with futuristic blue tones and clean modern lighting. Laptops display bustling product listings, shopping carts fill up, and packages are shipped across the globe. This is the new frontier of business, where opportunity meets innovation. As we dive in, let's explore how brands can harness these platforms to unlock growth and success in the digital age. Marketplace management services are the backbone of successful online selling. Feature a professional digital marketing expert working across multiple marketplace dashboards, each screen filled with analytics, product listings, and inventory data. In a sleek modern office, these experts ensure every detail is optimized, from pricing to promotions. Their role is to streamline your operations so you can focus on growing your brand. With blue and white branding and a strong e-commerce theme, these services handle the complexities of selling, letting you stay ahead in a competitive digital landscape. Managing every aspect of your online business can be overwhelming. On one side, imagine a stressed entrepreneur surrounded by laptops and sticky notes, struggling to keep up. On the other, a relaxed business owner reviews sales growth on a tablet, confident and focused. This contrast highlights the value of marketplace management services. They free up your time, reduce stress, and let you concentrate on what truly matters, growing your business. With professional workspaces and a clear vision of success, these services turn chaos into clarity and help you achieve your goals faster. Let's break down how marketplace management services operate. First, marketers create optimized product listings with high-quality photos and SEO-rich titles, ensuring your products stand out. Next, inventory and order management comes into play, with smart warehouse automation, barcode scanning, and real-time stock dashboards connecting all your marketplaces. Pricing and promotions are handled dynamically, with advanced analytics tracking competitors and adjusting prices for maximum impact. Customer service and returns are managed by friendly support agents, ensuring positive experiences and glowing reviews. Finally, analysts review performance charts and KPIs, providing actionable insights for continuous improvement. Each step is designed for efficiency and growth. The results of effective marketplace management are clear. Higher visibility, greater efficiency, and scalable growth. Imagine graphs rising with upward arrows, e-commerce icons floating, and a team celebrating their success in a bright golden lit office. Futuristic data visualizations highlight the progress, while the atmosphere radiates achievement. With these services, your brand enjoys increased exposure, streamlined operations, and the ability to scale rapidly. It's not just about selling more, it's about building a foundation for long-term success in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Marketplace management isn't just for big brands. Whether you're a new seller, a busy entrepreneur, or a growing business, these services are designed for you. Picture a montage of small business owners, entrepreneurs, and corporate teams all working on laptops, packing orders, and managing their e-commerce setups. The diversity of people and businesses shows that anyone aiming to succeed online can benefit. Professional, warm lighting, and a modern brand tone, this scene emphasizes that marketplace management is the key to unlocking your potential, no matter where you are in your business journey. Alpha Ecom Experts specialize in helping brands grow across all major platforms. Our team collaborates in a modern digital office, surrounded by screens displaying Amazon, Shopify, and Walmart dashboards. Futuristic tech visuals and glowing blue and white branding bring elegance and expertise to every project. Our commitment is to deliver results, using the latest tools and strategies to ensure your brand grows. When you choose Alpha Ecom Experts, you're choosing a partner dedicated to your success in the fast-paced world of e-commerce. Alpha Ecom Experts is your trusted partner in e-commerce marketplace management. With a proven track record and a passion for helping brands succeed, we provide the expertise and support you need to navigate the digital marketplace. From optimizing listings to managing operations and driving growth, we're here every step of the way. Join the many businesses who have transformed their online presence with Alpha Ecom Experts and take your brand to new heights in the world of e-commerce.